po sa inyong lahat. Honestly, this moment is so surreal to me. Parang kailan lang. Bata lang po talaga akong nangangarap. And now, my first movie together is going to be an MMFF.
Join hearings and trials for annulment cases. But this actually started some 38 years ago when I first handled my very first annulment case.
Feature movie namin, full-length movie namin makakapasok sa MMFF. Sobrang di namin na-expect to, pero since the beginning of the year, umaasa na kami dito. I'd like to thank also Direk Kip.
Last year pa po namin ito ginawa. October 2024. Nag-audition po ang Nathan Studios production po, yes, ng mga Atayde. October pa po kami gumagawa nito. Hinanap namin sila, nag-audition kami. Nung napili na namin kung sino yung bida, kung sino yung best friends lahat. Winorkshop po namin sila.